Vlogmas 5. I have a pimple patch that's like a huge one on my chin. I feel like it actually took a lot out. Anyway, I'm getting ready this morning for work. It's my first getting ready with my new haircut. Let's get ready together. I think I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm so excited. Just finished getting ready. I feel like, of course, the hair turned out perfectly. I'm obsessed. I love like the big bouncy hair. I'm all ready and I'm gonna go to work. It's Friday. Happy Friday. You guys, I'm officially on winter break. I'm so excited because that means I can now put my full focus into Vlogmas, and it's the 18th, it's the 19th. Oh my gosh, so Christmas is literally in a few days. I have so much to do still. We're gonna get all of that done. Right now, Kay and I are gonna go run some errands, get some groceries. I am really quickly before leaving gonna film a little brand campaign with Fabletics for December, and I have to show you guys how cute this outfit is. I'm trying to make it so you can fully see me, but these are the softest leggings I think I have ever put on my body. They're so comfy. I think these are my new favorite pants. Like, they're so cozy and comfy, perfect for yoga, and I'm obsessed with them. And they're so cute and blue for Christmas. And then I also am wearing like one of their tank tops that's also so comfy. I have this in a few different colors now, and I love these, and they're just the perfect like workout basic to throw on. But anyway, I'm gonna use the Christmas tree as my background today for filming that. We just got back from running some errands and grabbing the groceries. We also got, very Dutch of us, but we got some oliebollen. My mom used to always make oliebollen during New Year's. I saw this little shop and they had like apple flappen and then a bueno oliebollen and an Oreo oliebollen, and we were like, yeah, we're gonna try. So we got those to try. We also got a coffee machine for Christmas, and we were gonna wrap it and put it under the tree and like open it on Christmas and be like, oh my gosh, look what Santa got us. But we're both impatient and really want to try and make our coffee and use our coffee machine. And honestly, I feel like then it gives us a chance, because Christmas is in what, like 6 days? It gives us a chance to figure out what we like with the machine, what coffee grounds we like, what the way that we make it. Like, it gives us a better chance of making sure that we can have like a really good, nice coffee on Christmas morning if we try to make it now and kind of learn our machine over the next few days. So yeah, so we also went to the store and got some coffee making things. So let me show you. Billy Classico espresso, like ground coffee, and this one's already grinded up, which is perfect because we don't have a grinder with our machine. You'll see, but I feel like this is good. We're just gonna try this one first because I've heard of Illy and the reviews were like 4.8 out of 5. So we're gonna try it. But if you have any good recommendations for like grinded coffee, please let me know. We also got vanilla milk because ours comes with a frother, and then we also got caramel as well. So we got those two. I already have a few coffee recipes saved, but I'm definitely going to find some syrups, find like good things so I can make like fun coffees. I definitely have some really cute, fun coffee recipes saved that I think just make it a little bit more fun in the morning. You can have a really fun time with your like morning routine and like making a coffee. I'm so excited. Even though it's about 4:30 right now, I think we're still gonna make a coffee for tonight. My plan is to watch a Christmas movie every day until Christmas, since it's the 19th. It's so close. Like, Christmas is literally right around the corner. It's scaring me. I'm not ready yet. I'm really excited about our new coffee machine, if you can't tell. Wow. It did it, but I feel like that might have been a little bit too watery. It smells like coffee though. Now that I have my coffee, I think I'm gonna try to make like a iced brown sugar shaken espresso. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Since it's the first one, I feel like if I just do like a hot coffee, I feel like it's not gonna be as good and as fun as if I could make a iced brown sugar shaken espresso. I'm changing my mind. I actually don't want to do all of that because I also don't know how to do all of that. I'm just gonna add a little bit of brown sugar, mix it up, and then just make a nice drink. I don't know. I added a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon. I'm gonna use this because there's regular milk in here now. I think I'm gonna use this to make like sweet cream foam kind of vibe. No. First coffee in the machine is done. I'm pleased with how it is the first time. Obviously it's not gonna be like the best thing ever. I feel like it's only up from here, and I'm gonna look up some good recipes now and definitely watch some more tutorials on that thing. But I'm happy, and it's exciting because now we can make our own coffee from home. Good morning, happy Sunday. Guys, it's the 21st. Christmas is in 4 days. I have 4 more days left of me being 24. It's crazy. It's actually blowing my mind. I also made a iced coffee this morning, so it was my second time using the machine, and I looked up some recipes. I had the espresso pour into the cup, and I had honey, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and then I had the espresso pour into that, and then I mixed that all together and had like a caramel milk, and then did that. It was really good. I think next time maybe with just regular milk, because it was really sweet, and that's saying a lot from someone who loves sweet drinks. But I'm just kind of figuring out what I like and how I like to make it, and just trying different recipes. So I'm just having fun with it and going from there. But I love the machine. I feel like the machine is so good. I'm happy with the Illy, but I think we're gonna keep experimenting just so we can know what's out there. But so far so good with the coffee machine. I'm so happy about it. I just finished getting ready for the day and just did like a glowy makeup look. My hair is still drying from washing it this morning, but we're gonna go and do a little dinner with my cousin. I think this is the only family I'm gonna see during the holidays, is my cousin. I'm really excited to be able to go and see my family, especially being homesick and like missing my family during the holidays. I'm really excited that I at least get to go and see my cousin, and we get to have dinner together, and Keynes is gonna come with me, so it's gonna be like a little double date, which is gonna be so nice. It's a bit of a journey though to get to her, so we're gonna embark on a journey today. I literally woke up this morning. I don't know what got into me, but I literally was just crying. I was so emotional. It was good because I was honestly just crying because of how grateful I am and how blessed I feel. I just am loving life right now, and I just am so grateful for everyone that's in my life, and I feel like it's just proof like literally everything happens for a reason. Just feeling very blessed and grateful during the holiday season. I was just like so emotional about it this morning. I don't know why, but I think it finally clicked. Like they always say, whenever you move countries or move to another place, it always takes a year until you really feel like it fits, and I feel like it finally kind of clicked for me. I don't know why, but maybe now I just really feel like rooted here. I feel like I have my own friends. I feel like I have my things now. Like I feel like I'm starting to get into my groove. I don't know what it is, but it finally clicked, so I'm feeling really good, and I'm just happy to be here, and I'm happy to have this experience. I'm just also so happy I can bring you guys along with me and just capture my journey in my life, and it's just so cool. Life doesn't feel real right now. Like I just feel so blessed and grateful, and I don't know what it is, but it's crazy. So anyway, I'm ready now. We're gonna probably head out in about 10 minutes and go have some little family holiday time, which I'm so excited for. I'm also wearing Keenan's sweater. It's so cute, and I keep kidnapping it from him. The next morning, and dinner last night was so fun. It was so good to see family, and we made it back. I was editing and we watched a Christmas movie. We're keeping the Christmas movie every single night until Christmas, but I am gonna close out this vlog because I'm starting the next vlog right now. I wanted to close it out and say thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you aren't all caught up on the Vlogmases, definitely go get caught up. It's almost Christmas, so we're about to pick up the pace on the Vlogmases because I want to have a separate Christmas Eve and Christmas Day vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.